Okay, I've started the recording for my screen. This is a short tutorial for how to find the enrollment form for those interested in becoming a travel agent with Archer Travel. I am an independent travel agent with Archer Travel. My URL is www.evotravelagent.com/fly444. So that's www.evotravelagent.com/444. So once that's entered in the search bar, I will hit enter and my page will come up. At the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see a yellow bar. Interested in becoming an agent or enrolling as an agent, you will click that. And once you click that, this page will come up. You will simply hit next with being in the United States. If you're not in the United States, you click where you are, but I'm in the United States. I'm doing mock as far as I can go. Click next. Once you hit next, you will select the language, which our common language is English. English, where are you? E. Where's English? English, 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 English. No English? Me speaks no English? Okay, what's going on here? English. There we are. English. Okay. And then we'll, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Okay. A tab out of there. Okay. Scroll down. Sponsor ID, because you came through my page, then it's embedded in the space bar. If you went through just evotravelagent.com, this bar would be empty and you would have to enter an agent number. I won't say you would have to. I have never experienced that, but I'm assuming if it's empty, they'll just place you with someone. So to be certain that you're on my team, be sure that 50057 is indicated in the sponsor ID tab. 50057 is the sponsor ID for Fly444. And then you would click this bar indicating that you have reviewed and that the sponsor information above is accurate and correct, and you would like to continue on. So by agreeing it is correct, you will be enrolled under that sponsor, and no changes or moves can be made after enrollment is completed. And then from here, you will simply just complete the rest of the boxes. All the boxes that have the red asterisk next to it are boxes that must be completed with information in. And then you will simply check these boxes. Make sure all these three boxes on the bottom are checked in order to go to the next level. So you can't continue, you can't go further until the form is completed in its entirety. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will get to them as soon as I can. And if you are interested, I look forward to you joining my team. Have a great day.